It's said that this drink was created at the Long Bar at the famous Raffles Hotel in Singapore. The hotel's iconic drink uses a whopping 4 ounces of pineapple juice, but in Steve's book today we're using soda water, and it's said that the original recipe was created using soda water. This drink is the Singapore Sling. What is the crack? Welcome back to the channel. My name is the Rusty Bartender. If you're new here, we're making every single cocktail in Steve the Bartender's book. This drink is the Singapore Sling, and I can't wait to taste this one because this bartender is actually allergic to pineapple juice. So in all the bars I've ever went to that had this on the menu, it had pineapple juice in it. So this is going to be the first Singapore Sling that I've been able to try. So as you can tell, I'm excited about this one. So we're going to go 1.5 ounces of gin into our cocktail shaker. We're then going to go 1/2 ounce of cherry hearing liqueur, which is obviously a cherry-based liqueur, if you're wondering. Then we're going to go 1/4 ounce of Benedictine. So Benedictine is like it's a French brandy-based liqueur. It's got herbs and honey, I'm pretty sure it's made with. If you've ever had Drambuie, it's pretty much like, that's like the Scottish version of this, but it's made with whiskey, whereas this is made with brandy. Quarter ounce. We're then going to go 3/4 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. I haven't had much luck with lemons at the minute. All right, we got there now. 3/4 ounce of lemon juice. We're then going to go 1/4 ounce of grenadine. The link is going to be in the description below for the recipe for this grenadine. 1 dash of orange bitters. 1 dash of Angostura bitters. Then we're going to add ice to this and then give it a shake for about 10 to 12 seconds. Let's go. Like and subscribe. Please. I think I just hit my microphone there. I wonder what that sounded like. Okay, we're going to grab a chilled highball glass, which we're going to fill with ice. And Steve's top tip is, instead of adding the soda water after you've strained it into the glasses, add 2 ounces of your soda water straight into your tin. Then strain that over the ice. And it's going to mix as you go. Garnish-wise for this, I'm just going to go for an orange wheel and a little maraschino cherry straw. There you go, folks. The Singapore Sling. Let's have a taste. I'm looking forward to this. The botanicals mixing with the botanicals from the Benedictine is nice. It's hard to describe what's going on, but it's very herbal, and you get the cherry notes coming in at the end too. But I can imagine with pineapple juice added to this, it'd be very, very sweet and just throw the balance completely off. But anyway, folks, give this one a try if you've never tried it. Give it a try if you haven't had one without pineapple juice. Cheers, folks. Singapore Sling.